Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we are going to show you how to use yegobox hosting services with Dropbox. So as you are familiar with Dropbox, Dropbox can sync your files in a very fast way. And because our hosting service is much more revolutionary, it's just something new. We're using Dropbox just to take this hosting to the next level. So here's something you need to check before using Dropbox with the hosting service. So you need to make sure that your Dropbox is installed on your machine. So if it is not installed, I'm going to show you how you can install it. So you go to Dropbox download and you go to the first link you get, and I assume you click there and it go to the download URL. So then after downloading the Dropbox, you install it and make sure that it's available on your machine. So because I have already installed Dropbox, there's no need for me to install it again. Now the Dropbox is done installing, then you should have Dropbox folder on your computer. So let me show you what it look like after downloading the Dropbox on your machine. So now let's go here. You see that I have the Dropbox folder, and this is where you would see your folder hosted with yegobox hosting services. So let's assume that this is your folder. Let me go to this folder, for example. So let's assume that this is your folder that you are hosting with yegobox services, and this is your project files, okay? So whenever you want to change everything to your project, you change these files inside this folder, okay? So now, whenever you change anything to your folder, it's going to update automatically to the live server on yegobox. So you don't need to worry about the cPanels, the other things that you need to learn. Nothing to learn here. Just need to install Dropbox, and you see the folder hosted with yegobox services, hosting services. Then you change your folder, then bam, you see the update on the live server. So I hope you like yegobox hosting services, and please share to your friend and subscribe to our YouTube channel and be part of our community that we want to grow with to the next level. Thank you so much.